ক্লাস 10 পরীক্ষায় সবথেকে বেশি মার্কস পাওয়ার দৌড়ে কিন্তু সকলেই থাকে, কিন্তু আসলে খুব কয়েকজনই পারে সেই হাইয়েস্ট স্কোরটা অ্যাচিভ করতে। কিন্তু সেটা কিভাবে সম্ভব? আজ আমি সংযুক্তা নিউজ পোল বাংলার তরফ থেকে চলে এসেছি নারায়ণা স্কুল নিউ টাউনে। এখানকার টপার্স থেকে জেনে নেব যে তাদের হাইয়েস্ট স্কোর সিকিউর করার মন্ত্রটা কি। চলুন তাহলে আমার সাথে ভেতরে। পরীক্ষা মানেই একটা চাপ, আর তার মধ্যে যদি বোর্ড পরীক্ষা হয় তাহলে তো ভয়ের মাত্রা যেন আরো বেড়ে যায়, তাই না? তবু ওই একটা পরীক্ষার জন্য বছরের পর বছর নিজের সবটুকু দিয়ে খাটছে ছাত্রছাত্রীরা, কিন্তু সেই দৌড়ে সবার নাম শিখরে ওঠে না। সাফল্যের চূড়ায় পৌঁছে যায় মাত্র কয়েকজন। তাদের সাফল্যের রহস্যটা কি? শুধু রুটিন মাফিক পড়াশোনা, নাকি এর পেছনে লুকিয়ে আছে অন্য কোনো সিক্রেট? Scoring the top marks in board is a daydream for many, but in reality only a few can turn that into reality. And today I am at Narayana School with the toppers of the board exams. Firstly, congratulations to all of you. Okay, I would like to know one by one that how exciting it was for you guys after you guys got to know the result. Let's start with you.
I am Umma Ayman and I cleared my CBSE board exams from Narayana School, New Town, and I am very satisfied with my score and thankful for this achievement.
Okay.
I'm Prasiddhi Singh. I've cleared my board exams from Narayana School, New Town. I felt a sense of accomplishment and a sense of nostalgia at the journey we have gone through in this 1 year. There was also a sense of pride, and I'm grateful for the opportunity I've got.
How about you guys?
I have cleared the board exam from Narayana, New Town, and 596 out of 600 was a dream true score for me, and I'm grateful to my school and teachers and parents and family for this score, and I'm happy that they are also happy with this score.
I am Arjun Sengupta and I cleared my board exam from Narayana School, New Town. So the score that I got, 589 out of 600, it was above my expectation, and I'm very glad for my score, and I really thank my parents, my teachers, those who have helped me throughout my journey.
I'm Mona Mondul. I have passed my board from Narayana New Town. Scoring 588 out of 600 was a really big moment for me. This was possible through the right guidance from my teachers and support from my school.
I'm going to ask you this something, because as a kid, when I was at your age, I had that one subject which used to piss me off. Like, I didn't like it at all. I hated it, and I had to put in more hard work towards that subject. What's that subject for you guys? Since you have the mic, please go ahead.
I think if I go by syllabus, then history is it has vast syllabus, but I think that if we love the subject, then we can score it very well. And after that, maths is also a very interesting subject, and I will say that if we love the subject, then we can very well score that.
Okay, so your mantra is to love the subject, and it will be easy for you. Okay, what about you?
For me it was social science, so history is the same. So I really found it difficult to learn all the facts and all the dates and all that, but I think if you stay consistent and be focused, then it is doable and you can score very good.
Yeah, for me it was social science as well, because in social science we have to memorize, and I really believe in learning and being creative. So it was not a difficult task, but it made me sit for hours to learn something.
Looks like most of them have problem with the art subjects only. What about you?
I personally don't hate any subject, but I had to work slightly more hard in second language, which is Bengali for me. I had to put in more effort and more time so that I could secure a good score in that subject.
I agree with her. Second language for me was Hindi, and I think I had to put an extra R into Hindi, and then unexpected results came in. So I think that was a little bit more extra effort in the subject we may not like much. Probably gives us the results.
And what are your future plans? Like, what subjects do you guys want to pursue in the future? What about you?
As of now, I have planned that I'll pursue with science and become a doctor by clearing NEET UG exam in 2028, and I hope I'll be able to achieve what I'm aiming for.
I like mathematics, so I'll be going with PCM. I hope to clear the JEE Advanced Examination 2028 and become an engineer.
That's really nice. We have a future doctor and engineer sitting among us. What about you?
I have taken PCM in class 11, and I've started preparing for the IIT JEE exam, which is an exam for BTech engineering. And I have also preparing for the NDA exam, which is for the entrance to army. And this was I'm preparing for this.
That's really interesting. What about you guys?
So I have taken PCM in class 11, and I really hope to be an engineer and also to crack the JEE exam.
Yeah, I would also like to crack the IIT exam through the Narayana 2-year integrated CO Spark batch, and I would like to prepare for Olympiad as well.
Okay, so how was it before the exams and back at home? Like, were your phones taken away? No more extracurricular activities? Like, how was it? How was the preparing phase for you guys?
My phones were not taken away. I have self-control. I have controlled my distractions. But I will say that social media is not all bad. What people think. We can use social media for talking with our friends, and we need to talk with our friends to relax from our studies. So I think not cutting off with social media is not efficient. We should put limits on the use.
So gadgets and phones, all that, they are very distracting, but mine wasn't taken away. I used to control my urges, and if we stick to a study plan and follow it, then I don't think there is a problem keeping your gadgets with you.
Was the technologies like your phones or your tablets or your laptops, were they helpful to you?
Yeah, for sure. Like for accessing different resources, I think gadgets were the most helpful.
For me as well, like internet and mobile helped me through my preparation. They provided me more resources and they helped in my preparation.
Sure. What about you, ladies?
I think discipline and self-control was the key, and it did not matter whether the parents take away the phone or not. You must have control over it, and you must avoid your distraction. For me, I use technologies for my studies by using internet to download files, sample papers and all that help me practice for my examinations.
Well, I think technology has become integral in today's day, but the important idea is the idea of technological awareness. So, technology is both a boon and as well as a bane. So, I think it is how we use technology for our benefits, and especially as a student, it can help us unlock various resources. So, I think that was something that was important to receive this position today.
Okay, I would also like to know that during this preparation time, did you guys ever felt like under pressure or very stressed about the preparations? Were there a time like this?
I mean, I think that is very normal that sometimes, like before examinations, people often feel stressed. So in those times, the support of our teachers, parents, and sometimes just a few minutes to think out and rather than simply stressing is very, very important. Sometimes like a few minutes of doing our favorite thing, our leisure activities, will probably help us to calm the situation, and then we can take a rational choice.
What was your favorite activity to do during those times?
I like reading books, listening to music, sometimes a bit dancing, so that helped me.
What about you?
As my friend said, it is very common during exams to get stressed, but I did not lose hope, and my parents and teachers also encourage me, and they make me realize that I can achieve what I want. So what I used to do to cope up with the stress is I used to rest for a while, and then I used to start studying with a fresh mind.
I think stress is common, but whenever I felt stress, I thought that what I have did throughout the year, what I have studied and how I have studied and what hard work I have put in this, and always I thought that the people around us are constantly saying that you can do it. So I can surely do it, and I have the blessings of the people around us, so I can do it.
So I also had some stressful situations, but I think that my consistent routine helped me to beat those conditions. Also, my parents supported me through my tough times. So
Yeah, I also had some stressful situations, but the teachers in Narayana really helped me, and the routine was so means disciplined that I had to go through it, and it helped me a lot. And the environment, learning environment here is really good.
Yeah, I was actually coming to that this Narayana school, how has the curriculum and the teachers have supported you throughout your journey. I would like to know that as well.
Yeah, Narayana has a really good curriculum. They provide the Olympiad and e-techno preparation as well, where we are introduced to advanced topics from class 6, and from 11 and 12 also they help to prepare IIT, and through class 10 also they prepared a lot through sample papers and daily tests.
in class 10, I was enrolled in eTechno, so they had like regular tests, and they provided us with more study materials, and to revise our concepts, they were always there. The teachers, they guided us in the right direction.
I was also enrolled in the e-techno section in class 10, and they provided the foundation for JEE and NEET exam. And in the last 2 months, Narayana also helped a lot in preparing for the exam by providing numerous mock tests and constant practice, which helped me a lot. And there was emotional support from the teachers, which helped me a lot.
What about you?
The teachers at Narayana New Town are very approachable and supportive. The regular tests and guidance from them have helped me improve step by step. I'm very thankful to the school, teachers, and my parents for their constant encouragement.
I think the learning environment at Narayana New Town helped me achieve success today. In addition to this, the continuous support from the teachers, the constant motivations, and the timely feedbacks helped me immensely in my preparation.
Like all of you mentioned a particular subject when I asked you like which subject you find a bit harder. In those subjects, did they help you, guide you through that?
Like I felt Hindi was a relatively harder subject for me. In those subjects, my Hindi teacher advised me to do a lot of sample papers, to write down answers rather than orally recalling it. So I think it all helped me to get the score I needed.
What about you? Did you got any guidance with your second language, Bengali?
Yes, our teacher helped me improve my vocabulary, my answers, and every topic I faced problem with. She also gave me extra time during the free periods or whatever extra time we have during our school hours. She prescribed certain books, sample papers that also helped me improve my score.
I guess guidance is the best thing that can help you guys improve. What about your experience with the teachers regarding those subjects?
Yes, I felt a bit problem with the social science for this vast syllabus, but I felt it's interesting because the teacher explained it very well, and she told that you should keep make keywords while studying, and prescribe many sample papers and previous year papers to practice, and constantly told that you can do it, you can do it. So I think that emotional support is the most important thing.
Motivation works best for you, I
Yes.
guess. What about you?
So I found social science as difficult, mainly in answer writing. So my teacher taught me different techniques to how to write the answer more appropriately and all that. And beside, she motivated me too.
Yeah, I believe the teachers in Narayana are really supportive. Whenever I ask them a question, they really try to answer it if they couldn't. And overall, the curriculum is really good. Here, like the tests are conducted, which improve our preparation, and they make us more ready for the actual board exam.
We have already learned all the tricks and tips from the toppers, but before ending this interview, this conversation, I would like to know what's your one mantra to crack the board exams?
So for me, it would be just stay consistent, follow a simple plan, maybe study less in a day, but follow it consistently, and you will get there.
What about you?
I will say that discipline and behavior is the most important thing in life, not only board exam, and staying focused on your goals and be respectful to others, then you will get success in your life.
I think you should answer.
And the one mantra will be is to fulfill my duty as a student. I think it's important for our students to perform our work efficiently. It's not just about marks. It's about performing our and showing our capabilities.
What about you guys? What's your one mantra to success to crack the board exams?
According to me, discipline and consistency is the key. If you have discipline and you are consistent with your studies, you can crack your goals. You can meet the plans that you have set very smartly and efficiently. If it may happen throughout the year that you miss the consistency, but do not feel demotivated and continue learning.
I believe that with consistency and hard work, self-belief is also very important for cracking the board examinations. Having belief in what you're doing and a sense of motivation throughout the journey helps us achieve success.
Thank you so much. Congratulations one again to each and every one of you, and all the best for your future. But before we end, what would you like to tell your juniors? Let's start with you.
I think the most important thing is to be a good man, be disciplined and be respectful to others in life, and you will surely get your success.
So I would suggest that stay calm. Class 10 isn't that hard to crack to get good marks. Just stay consistent and don't stress.
Yeah, I would like to say that don't lose hope. Even in the most adverse situations, always try to remain peaceful and calm, and try to be consistent for the year.
I would like to tell my juniors from the upcoming batch that in this recent times where technology is integral, you need to stay focused on your goals and be technologically aware by not using mobile phones, laptops, tablets as a source of entertainment, but for your studies, and use it wisely.
I would like to say discipline is perhaps one of the most important things. It is not only a skill but rather a virtue that should be imbibed in our lives, which will not only help us in our future years and boards but in our life overall.
Thank you so much. All the best for your future. And now let's talk to the person who's behind all of this and behind the students' success. I have already spoken with the students, and now I have the one. Oh, that's it. I was at it. I have already spoken to the students, and now I have the one who paved the way for their success. Principal of Narayana School, Newtown. Ma'am, welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, as all of your students, or most of them, have scored so much well, you must be very proud of them.
See, it's a very proud moment for us when children have worked hard, not only for a year or so, they have been working and from very consistently from past so many years, and now they have got the fruit of their hard work. It's a proud moment for us, for parents and for the children, because it will definitely be giving them lots of satisfaction.
Now, as we know that study, especially for board exams, it's very hard. But during that time, kids need relaxation for a bit. So how do you, in Narayana School, how do you plan the curriculum that with the studies, the students can also have their extracurricular activities or have a little bit of leisure time to themselves?
See, ma'am, our curriculum is very well defined. They have their study periods, and with the study periods, we have some time for their co-curricular activities, like they get the sports. They have the clubs also. Last year, we have introduced around 15 clubs under which they go for their, the experts come to guide them for their specific, like they have the football, they have got dance classes, they have got MUN club, they have got interactive clubs. So all these give them a platform to showcase their talent. With this, they have the library periods also, and they go for the games. Sometimes they have the hours to practice after their school. So all these in totality, it gives them a very balanced curriculum, so that where they can play as well as study. So all studies and no entertainment. Jack makes a dull boy. So we believe in that.
Well, in this days, for a lot of parents as well as for a lot of students, marks is the ultimate goal, but they don't focus on the overall studies or the overall things they learn. What do you think about this? What's your take on this?
See, ma'am, scenario has changed now. Parents, I have seen that they have come out of this, mindset that only marks. They actually believe that the concept building should be there. Parents also have a lot of exposure these days, and they are well aware, they are well educated, so they believe that the child should work, and the school along with the child should work on the concept building rather than only focusing on the marks. So things have changed. I'm happy to see that things are changing.
And ma'am, for the students who are going to appear for the boards or planning to join the Narayana School Newtown, what are you going to tell them?
See, I'll say children, technology is actually taking you away from the main course of life. Yes, you need to marry technology with the studies in a very balanced manner. Take the best out of it, and try and ignore getting deviated from the path. And Narayana School, Newtown, definitely is working towards it. It's like giving them balanced way by counseling them. We have so many counseling sessions for the children, including career counseling, and so many platforms we give them where they get exposed to different areas of life, where we have the life skill sessions for them. So in total, I'll say that we are working for their overall development, not only one part of the studies. It's a holistic approach we have, where children learn and enjoy in totality.
Ma'am, I must say that you have passed on these things or these learnings onto your students, because as I was speaking to your students, they also had the same mindset. Even I asked them that what do they think about technology, and they said the same thing, that for them it's a blessing and a boon, but you need to just know how to use it.
That is perfectly fine. That I really appreciate if the children are picked up. So I think I am blessed to be their principal, because these days children are, they grow up very fast. They know much more than us. So it's a learning both sides. It's not that we are teaching them, we are also learning in the process.
It's a very advanced generation, we can say.
Yes, they are. There's no doubt about it. So we are happy. I'm happy that I'm their principal.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and we can definitely say that for your education, Narayana School Newtown is the best place for you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Firstly, congratulations on securing 98% in your boards. How does that feel?
Ma'am, it was very nice, and actually I was so surprised by the marks, and I'm really happy right now.
And what was your parents' reaction? Were they expecting that? Were you expecting that?
Yes, ma'am, actually we didn't expect this much marks, but yeah, it was a very nice and cherishing moment in us, and like it was a very nice moment, ma'am, and we are happy, like everyone in my family is celebrating this moment right now.
Can you share some moments during the preparation period where you felt like, oh, it's not working out, I can't do it?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
share some moments?
Yes, ma'am. During my pre-boards, I scored very low marks, 89%, and now scoring the reverse number, 98%. Actually, that was also very disappointing. I thought that I can never score like above 95%. This was the feeling I was getting at that time. But in the last 2 months, I worked very hard, and yeah, this is the result.
And during those times, how did Narayana School, their teachers, their curriculum, how did that help you?
Ma'am, they are a god, like whenever I feel like very disappointed, disheartened, they were like, no, you can do this, you have the potential to do this. They were really motivating and like helped in every step, whether they are free or not, they'll help me without all the doubts and all the things.
And what's your future goal?
Ma'am, NEET 2028.
Wow, all the best for your future. And before ending, I would like to know, as I was asking your fellow toppers that what's your mantra to the success?
Revise. The only thing I'll tell is revise, recall, and active recall. In the last 2 months, I have done that thing only. You have to revise and recall everything. Just rote learning or like memorizing everything will never work. In the board examination, everything was like out of the box questions were there, and just the rote learning of NCERT books will not work. You have to follow supplementary books given by the Narayanas, just like I had this, or any other books. You have to follow that. NCERT is not gonna work. Only NCERT will not work. So yeah, this was the thing.
Thank you so much, and once again congratulations.
Thank you so much.
থ্যাংক ইউ। প্রত্যেকটা সাফল্যের পেছনে লুকিয়ে থাকে ডেডিকেশন, হার্ড ওয়ার্ক আর সঠিক গাইডেন্স। নারায়ণা স্কুল নিউ টাউনের স্টুডেন্টস এবং টপার্স এবং প্রিন্সিপালসের সাথে কথা বলে আমরা এইটুকু তো জেনে গেলাম যে বোর্ডস ক্র্যাক করতে হলে তাদের মন্ত্রটা কি। আজকের ভিডিওটি আপনাদের কেমন লাগলো জানাতে বলবেন আমাদের কমেন্ট সেকশনে। এরকম আরো ভিডিওস দেখার জন্য নজর রাখুন নিউজ 4 বাংলায়।